Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn F letter word. What word? F letter word. Capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Okay, so let's start. Look at the book and repeat again. देखो capital F, small f. F for fruits. F R U I T. Fruits. Okay. Fan. F N fan. Frog. F R O G. Frog. Fire. F I R E. Fire. Flamingo. F L A M I N G O. Flamingo. Fizz. F I Z. Fizz. Fluid. F L U T E. Fluid. Flowers. F L O W E R S. Flowers. Fish. F I S H. Fish. Foot. F O O T. Foot. Fox. F O X. Fox. Fountain. F O U N T A I N. Fountain. Okay. Okay children. Okay. So thank you for watching. See you next class. Bye bye.